Spending over $1,000 on a robot vacuum raises one big question. Is it actually worth it? The Yeedi S14 Plus and Roborock Saros 10 both make a strong case, but for completely different reasons. One focuses on aggressive floor scrubbing and raw cleaning power, while the other bets on intelligence, design, and seamless automation. In this comparison, we're breaking down where your money actually goes, and which one gives you the better experience day to day. Let's start with the overall design and philosophy behind these two robots, because that already tells you a lot. The Yeedi S14 Plus looks and feels like a traditional flagship robot vacuum. It's solid, slightly chunky, and clearly designed to prioritize raw cleaning power and aggressive mopping. The Roborock Saros 10, on the other hand, is all about elegance and engineering. It's noticeably slimmer, more refined, and clearly built to reach places most robot vacuums simply can't. That slim design is one of the Saros 10's biggest talking points. Thanks to its retractable LiDAR system, it stays incredibly low, allowing it to slide under beds, sofas, and cabinets where dust loves to hide. If your home has a lot of low furniture, the Saros 10 immediately feels like it's playing in a different league. The Yeedi S14 Plus isn't bulky by normal standards, but it can't quite match that ultra-low profile, which means some areas will still need occasional manual cleaning. Now let's talk suction, because this is where Yeedi really flexes. The S14 Plus delivers up to 18,000 pascal of suction, which is already more than enough for deep carpet cleaning, heavy debris, and pet hair. In daily use, it feels powerful and confident, especially on carpets where cheaper robots often struggle. The Roborock Saros 10 goes even further, pushing suction closer to 22,000 pascal. In real-world terms, that means both are excellent, but the Saros 10 has a slight edge when it comes to pulling fine dust out of thick carpets or dealing with high-traffic areas. That said, suction alone doesn't tell the full story. Brush design and hair management matter just as much, especially if you live with pets. Yeedi uses its Zero Tangle 2.0 system, which does a very good job of keeping hair from wrapping around the main brush. Roborock counters with its dual anti-tangle brush system, and in practice, both handle pet hair extremely well. If you're constantly fighting hair buildup, neither of these robots will feel like a compromise. Where the two really start to separate is mopping. The Yeedi S14 Plus uses a roller-style Osmo mopping system, and this is not just marketing hype. Instead of dragging a flat pad across the floor, it actively scrubs using a rotating roller with consistent pressure. In everyday use, this translates to noticeably better stain removal, especially for dried spills, sticky spots, and kitchen messes. If mopping performance is high on your priority list, the S14 Plus feels more like a dedicated floor cleaner than a robot doing a secondary job. The Roborock Saros 10 takes a different approach with its Viberize mopping system. It vibrates the mop pad at high speed to loosen dirt while intelligently lifting the mop when carpets are detected. It's smart, refined, and very safe for mixed flooring homes. However, compared to Yeedi's roller system, it's a bit gentler. For light to medium mopping, it's excellent. For stubborn stains, the Yeedi tends to win. Navigation and intelligence are another major battleground. Roborock has long been considered one of the best in the industry for mapping and obstacle avoidance, and the Saros 10 continues that tradition. Its LiDAR-based navigation combined with AI obstacle detection feels confident and precise. It avoids cables, shoes, and random clutter more reliably, and room mapping tends to be accurate right from the first run. Yeedi's navigation has improved significantly, and the S14 Plus does a good job overall, but it can occasionally feel less refined in complex spaces. It gets the job done, but if you have a lot of obstacles, tight layouts, or unpredictable clutter, the Roborock feels more aware of its surroundings. Now let's talk about the docks, because both of these are designed to minimize human involvement. The Yeedi S14 Plus comes with a powerful all-in-one station that empties the dustbin, washes the mop with hot water, and dries it with hot air. This is especially important given its roller mop, which needs regular cleaning to avoid odor or bacteria buildup. The system works well and genuinely supports a hands-off experience. Roborock's dock feels more premium and more automated. It not only empties dust and washes the mop, but also handles detergent dispensing and advanced drying cycles. It's the kind of dock you almost forget exists, which is exactly the point. Both are excellent, but Roborock's dock feels slightly more polished in daily use. Battery performance is strong on both models. The Yeedi S14 Plus offers up to 4.5 hours of runtime on a single charge, which makes it especially well-suited for larger homes without needing frequent recharge breaks. The Saros 10 also manages large spaces confidently, delivering around 3.7 hours of use per charge. In short, both provide enough endurance to clean most homes thoroughly without any added stress. Price and overall value are where the differences become much more noticeable. The Roborock Saros 10 clearly positions itself in the ultra-premium segment with a price tag of around $1,600. That higher cost reflects its refined engineering, advanced intelligence, slim profile, and the level of polish Roborock brings to its ecosystem. The Yeedi S14 Plus, while still very much a premium robot, comes in at a more approachable $1,200. When you factor in its strong cleaning performance, especially its aggressive and effective mopping, it starts to stand out as a compelling value option for buyers who want flagship-level capability without paying top-tier pricing. So which one should you choose? If your home has lots of low furniture, mixed flooring, and you value top-tier navigation and a refined smart experience, the Roborock Saros 10 is hard to beat. It feels like a robot designed to quietly solve problems you didn't even know you had. But if deep mopping, strong suction, and raw cleaning power matter most, especially in kitchens, dining areas, or homes with kids and pets, the Yeedi S14 Plus delivers incredible performance for the price and doesn't feel like a compromise at all.